Hello. Everyday salespeople visit the market trying to make the most out of their time. They encounter lots of challenges, like addressing the right product at the right location, making sure managers are able to assist them when needed. iSell 360 from BMB is out there for both the salespeople and their managers. It is a cloud-based Salesforce automation that can also be implemented at your premises. iSell 360 allows your pre-sellers, cash vans, logistics, and merchandisers to perform all their tasks in a user-friendly environment while going through one of the best mobile experiences. They can create a contact, check their products, check their stocks, and their sales. It will also allow your customers to benefit from loyalty programs and sales portals to track all their transactions with your company. iSell 360 is equipped with an AI engine that provides sales and forecasting insights to generate the best outcome for your business. AI assists in operations like loading the truck of a cash van with the appropriate product mix, proposing the best sales mix for a customer, providing the ultimate visual display for a planogram, optimizing the route of the delivery fleet, and much more. What about your sales supervisors? Well, they will be able to track their sales team in a real-time mode using their tablet through interactive maps, providing sales guidance, immediate approval on exceptions, and remote assistance. iSell 360 comes also with an innovative territory planner to create optimized sales routes and journey plans. Those routes keep on adapting to the ever-changing environment, such as traffic, new opportunities, working hours, vacations, and many other attributes. With our Salesforce automations, your sales team will be able to achieve more and to provide your managers the most intuitive sales insights using advanced reporting and descriptive dashboards. iSell 360 from BMB, countless features to upgrade your workforce.